Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to insert and customize WordArt in Microsoft Word to make your text more attractive and professional. Whether you're creating a school project, a business document, or a creative design. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. After Microsoft Word opens, click the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the window. Next, go to the text group and click the WordArt button, which is displayed as a stylized letter A. A gallery of different WordArt styles will appear. Choose the style that best matches the look you want for your document. Then, a text box will be inserted into your document with placeholder text. Click inside the text box and type the words you want to display. You can change the font size, and formatting just like regular text. Next, click on the WordArt text to select it if it is not already selected. In the WordArt Styles section, you can customize your text in many different ways. Click Text Effects to add features such as shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation, or transform effects. These options allow you to create unique text styles that match your document or presentation. You can also change the text fill to apply different colors or gradients to your WordArt. If you want to add a border around the letters, click Text Outline and choose your preferred color, thickness, and line style. Finally, click anywhere outside the WordArt to finish editing and continue working on your document. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others who may find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.